Are you struggling to master English prepositional phrases and sound like a native speaker? In this complete English grammar lesson, you will unlock the hidden patterns behind prepositional structures. Stick around until the end to transform your English speaking practice and write fluently. Anxiety, meaning in a worried state. Example, the student waited in anxiety for the examination results. In awe, meaning filled with admiration or respect. Example, the visitors have always looked in awe at the ancient temple. In bitterness, meaning feeling resentment or anger. Example, he left the meeting in bitterness after hearing the unfair decision. In confidence, meaning privately and secretly. Example, she is speaking in confidence, so please do not repeat her words. In confusion, meaning feeling mixed up or unclear. Example, she answered the difficult question in confusion, but the teacher guided her kindly. In delight, meaning full of happiness or joy. Example, they welcomed the winners in delight after the final match. In depression, meaning in a very sad or hopeless mood. Example, she remained in depression for several weeks after losing her pet. In despair, meaning having lost all hope. Example, the refugees worked in despair until help finally arrived. In disgust, meaning with strong dislike. Example, he threw the spoiled food away in disgust. In embarrassment, meaning feeling ashamed or awkward. Example, The boy smiled in embarrassment after forgetting his speech. In envy, meaning wishing you had what someone else has. Example, she watched her friend's success in envy. In excitement, meaning full of energy or eagerness. Example, the audience cheered in excitement as the singer appeared on a stage. In fear, meaning being afraid or frightened. Example, the little girl hid behind her mother in fear during the thunderstorm. In frustration, meaning annoyed or upset because of difficulty. Example, he closed the book in frustration because he could not solve the problem. Ingratitude, meaning being thankful. Example, the scholarship winner thanks the teacher in gratitude. In grief, meaning deeply sad after a loss. Example, the family gathered grief after the sad news. In happiness, meaning feeling joy. Example, by the end of the ceremony, everyone had smiled in happiness and departed in peace. In harmony, meaning in peace or agreement. Example, if everyone works in harmony, the project will succeed. In hope, meaning exciting something good. Example, the patient waited in hope for positive medical reports. In horror, meaning filled with fear or shock. Example, the audience watched in horror as actor fell from the stage. In humility, meaning modestly without pride. Example, the champion thanked his coach in humility during the ceremony. in joy, meaning feeling happy. Example, they will celebrate in joy after receiving the good news. In love, meaning feeling affection for someone. Example, they walk together in love, dreaming about their future. In pain, meaning feeling physical or emotional hurt. Example, the injured player continued the game in pain. In passion, meaning with a strong emotion or enthusiasm. Example, the young artist painted in fashion every evening. In peace, meaning calm and without conflict. Example, the old couple lived in peace in their quiet village. In pride, definition, with self-respect or satisfaction. Example, the teacher looked in pride at the excellent examination results. In relief, meaning feeling comfort after difficulty. Example, we breathe in relief after finishing the difficult paper. In sadness, meaning feeling unhappy. Example, the old man spoke in sadness about his childhood memories. In satisfaction, meaning pleased with the result. Example, the workers completed the project in satisfaction. In shame, meaning feeling embarrassed or guilty. Example, the player apologized in shame for breaking the rules. In shock, meaning very surprised or upset. Example, we stood in shock when we heard the unexpected announcement. In sorrow, meaning feel in deep sadness. Example, the nation remembered the heroes in sorrow. In surprise, meaning feeling amazed or astonished. Example, the children shouted in surprise when the fireworks began. In sympathy, meaning feeling compassion for others. Example, the community supported the family in sympathy after the accident. Mastering prepositional phrases is key to improving your English grammar, sentences structure, and vocabulary. I hope this prepositional phrases lesson with meanings cleared up your doubt. If this video helped you learn English faster, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and share the video with your friends.